The distribute function can be very useful to place a certain amount of blocks as a grid according to a given criteria. I click on the distribute function and select the block option. I'm going to distribute a block in rows and arrows, so I check the box and notice that the columns field is now active too. I can select one of the current blocks being used in the project or choose one from my library. I'm going to open this simple school table. Here I can indicate if I want to use the default or current active color, and here if the block will be placed with a given rotation. And now I can set the insertion criteria. For the rows, I will distribute 5 tables with an overall distance of 5 meters between the first and the last copy. And for the columns, I set 4 copies with a distance of 1.4 meters between each copy. Now I accept the criteria and click where the insertion point of the first table will be placed. I move the mouse downwards and click to set the direction of the rows. And then I move the mouse left and click again to set the direction of the columns. Note that if you reverse the order of this step, the columns and rows will shift direction.